Activity 9. Making a model of esophagus to observe how bolus moves forward. The aim of this activity is to understand how food bolus moves forward in esophagus with the help of a model of esophagus. For this, we require a cycle tube, potatoes, and oil. Now, take a piece of a cycle tube. Lubricate the inner side of the cycle tube using oil. Take 1 or 2 potatoes dipped in the oil and insert into the cycle tube. Now, try to push the potatoes forward by squeezing the tube from the outside. Observe how it moves. We can observe that the potatoes moves forward upon pushing. The oil lubricates the path and helps the potatoes to slide down easily. Similarly, the wall of esophagus is made up of 2 types of smooth muscles. The inner circular muscle and the outer longitudinal muscle contraction of circular muscle results in narrowing of esophagus, and the contractions of longitudinal muscle results in widening of tube in front of the bolus. Continuous contractions and relaxations of these muscles in the wall of alimentary canal, which is GI tract, produces a wave-like movement which is known as peristalsis. Peristalsis helps in the movement of food through esophagus.